I'm Dennis, and today we're going to be looking at Agfa Isolette 1 medium format 120 film folding camera. Let's jump right in. Oh wait, hit that subscribe button down there in the lower right hand corner and ring that bell so you're notified the next video comes out, and I certainly would appreciate it. Okay, let's take a quick look at this Isolette 1, and I say a quick look. This is one of my favorite cameras, and I'll tell you what, there's not much to it. We'll go over real quick. Opens up the bellows, set the shutter release button. I have checked this camera out a little bit before I started the video because I needed to go in the closet and check the bellows. It looks like the bellows is light tight, and we're good there. The only problem we have is this is frozen. So that's not a big deal. I would much rather have that frozen than a hole in the bellows or holes in the bellows, because usually they have more than one. So the bellows it's easy to change. I have a video on that, but the bellows are hard to come by. So I'd much rather have a problem with the lens, but usually you'll have problems with both. It's not that uncommon. But so anyway, the film advance knob. Oh, let's open it back up. Cold shoe, and your cord would plug in right here for your flash. Right here, you can put your time release cord in button for your long exposures. We'll fold it back up. Like I say, this won't take very long. It's got a little sliding door. So pull the door down, put it up when you're ready to take the next shot. Pull it down, advance to the next number, just put it back up. Right here, you'll push down, opens up, pressure plate on the film, of course your bellows, your lens, what you do to load it. Put your film in there, push this up, put it back in. Of course you would have usually you would have to put an empty spool from here over to here, so you pull this up, pull this out, or pull this out over here, put it in over here, push back down, and then you just got to move it around a little bit to get that back down in the slots that are in the reel. So it's in. So you take it over, put it in, just like any other camera. Roll it up a little bit. Usually you'll see a start sign back here. That's about when I close it up. Crank it up till you see your 1. Sometimes if I'm not going out shooting right away, I won't even crank it up just till I see the 1 until I get out in the field. Push the door back up. Going out to take pictures. Set your shutter. Take your picture. And it's like I say, that's it. So if the focus thing was working, you would have to set that in feet, and so you'd have to estimate your feet, stuff like that. And then of course you do a sunny 16 or whatever to light meter, preferably, to set your aperture and your speed. So that's it on this camera. The next video is going to be fixing this lens so we can get out and shoot and use this camera, because like I say, this is one of my favorite ones, and I just got this. I got rid of all the others that I've had over the years, and so I just acquired this one, and so I'm ready to go out and shoot, but I've got to get that lens fixed. So like I say, next video we're going to work on this lens. I hope you enjoyed that video on that simple yet great little camera, the Agfa Isolette 1. If you would hit the thumbs up, that would be great. And for today, that's it. See you in the next video.